how to find LCM by using multiples. Finding LCM by using multiples. Okay. In previous video, we have learned how to find HCF. Okay. So before starting this sum, let us see what is LCM and what are the properties for LCM and HCF.
LCM, the least common multiple of two or more natural numbers, is the least natural number that is a multiple of the given number. Example, LCM of 2 and 3. First we have to write multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. In this, the common multiples of 0, 6, 12 and so on. In this, the least number is 6. So the LCM is 6. Since 0 is a multiple of all numbers, we do not use it as LCM. Properties of HCF and LCM. The HCF of given numbers is smaller than or equal to the smaller number. Example, HCF of 3, 6 and 12 is 3. The LCM of given numbers is greater than or equal to the largest of the numbers. Example, LCM of 8, 12, 16 is 48. Here 48 is greater than 8, 12 and 16. The HCF of two numbers A and B is a factor of the LCM of A and B. Likewise, LCM of A and B is a multiple of HCF of A and B. Example, HCF of 12 and 15 is 3 and their LCM is 60. Clearly, 3 is a factor of 60. Also, 60 is 20 times 3, that is 23 is 60. So, LCM 60 is a multiple of HCF 3.
So let us see this example. For 12 and 16, we have to find LCM for 12 and 16. LCM means least common multiple. Multiple is nothing but answers of the table. Okay? See, let us write the multiples of 12. So what are the multiples? 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24, 12 threes 36, 12 fours 48, 12 fives 60 and so on. Next, we will write the multiples of 16. Multiples of 16. So what are the multiples of 16? 16, 32, 48, 64, 80 and so on. Okay? No need to write all the multiples. So now see what are the common multiples in these two. See here, what are the common multiples? Circle. See, here we are having 48 as common multiple. So, still we will get the common multiples. But 48 is the least. This is only the starting common multiple. Still we will get. But those are So what is the LCM here? LCM of 12 and 16 is equal to, what is the LCM? 48. 48. Understood, children? Let us see this example. LCM for 2, 3 and 4. So how to find LCM for 2, 3 and 4? So first we have to write the multiples. We have to write the multiples. So see here, first multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. So what are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Next, multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Next, write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Now let us see what are the common multiples. See here, 6, 8. Here we don't have 8. 12. See here, 12. Here also 12. Here also we are having 12. So in these three numbers, here we are having the 12 as common multiple. Still we will get the common multiples, but those are greater than 12. So the 12 is the least common multiple. 12 is the least common multiple. Least means smallest. So what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4? 12. Understood, children? How to find the LCM? Just write the multiples, circle the common multiples. In that common, what is the smallest one? What is the least? That will become LCM of the given numbers. I hope you have understood how to find the LCM by listing the multiples. Now complete the given assignment in the video in your HW. Thank you.